Mom, was Dad praying extra hard today?
Why do you say that, sweetie?
Because his eyes were closed the whole time, and he was snoring amen loudly.
I heard that.
Oh, good. Maybe next time you can hear the priest too.
Sweetheart, don't tease your dad. He works hard and maybe he was just tired.
Tired? Mom, he wasn't just tired. He was dreaming. He even mumbled something about burgers during the homily.
I was not dreaming about burgers.
Fine. Maybe it was fries. Either way, I think Father heard you ordering.
I did wonder why people kept turning around. It was like the church had surround sound snoring.
All right. Next time I'll stay awake. But for the record, I heard all of it.
Oh, really? What was today's gospel about?
Something about forgiveness?
Close enough, Dad. We forgive you. But only if you bring snacks after lunch.
Deal. And maybe a pillow for next Sunday, just in case.
I heard that too.